One of the things we get asked all the time is if we have a finish that makes a bronze, chemical finish on steel. We don't have one. But if you use one of the combinations that we have in our chemical line, if you use the copper plate and the dark pewter together, it will give you a bronze finish. The more of the combination you make, the darker it's going to get. But let me show you how it's done. Get a clean piece of metal. You can dip it in, or you can spray it on. Either one, depending on the environment you're in. You then dip it in water. Once you dip it in water, then you go ahead and spray the dark pewter on the copper plate. The more dark pewter you spray on your copper plate, the darker the finish. And it's going to look like a light bronze all the way to a dark bronze. And this is what it looks like right here. The more you spray, the darker the finish. So you can control the shades of bronze that you want on your copper plate. And that's how you can accomplish that bronze finish. Then you dip it in water. Then you want to neutralize it. Give it a few seconds to neutralize. Then go ahead and do a final rinse. And there you go. How it looks right here, wet, that's how it's going to look with our gloss finish. So once you do this here, you want to go ahead and dry your steel, because if you don't dry it, this is a chemical finish on steel, and what's going to end up happening to the steel, it's going to rust on you. So you want to remove the moisture away from the metal as soon as possible. If you want to know how it's going to look with a matte finish, our matte finish, just dry it out, and this is how it's going to turn out. So, very simple process. It goes from here to what you see right here on this eagle.